What's up, YouTube? So we have a Hyundai Tucson 4-wheel drive V6. This customer came from another shop, and the shop said that he only needed a flex pipe. Well, let's get into it. If you're not at Meineke for exhaust, you're getting ripped off everywhere else.
Yep.
Ripped off being misled on what your car needs, and also paying too much. So, does this look like a flex pipe? Nope, that's rotted out converter flanges. This flex pipe is rotted out here, okay? This flange over here is just about shot, and so is the bolt. So he was misinformed by another shop who actually put the car up in the air and looked at it. Did I throw out the other flex pipe? I probably did, because that's just how I roll. But I'm going to show you. So not only was he misinformed, which makes my job 10 times harder to present the job. Luckily, we take pictures and show and tell. But this flex pipe up here was shot too. So how many people out there who are going in for this and spending $1,000 or more when this is a fraction of the cost? If you're not at meineke, cinnaminson for muffler, exhaust, flex pipe, catalytic converters, you're paying too much.